Welcome to a Phottix new product video. Today we have the soon-to-be available Phottix Nuada R3. Like the Nuada S and the Nuada P, this is a soft light LED. So let's open it up and see what's inside. This will be a first time for me as well because I have not seen inside the box. Inside the box we have a beautiful big black bag, silk screened with Phottix Nuada R3. Inside this carrying bag we will have the panel itself. Safely ensconced in this styrofoam is the Nuada R3. So we have the obligatory instruction manual. We have an AC adapter. Now this is a universal AC adapter. This one comes with all the attachments for different regions. So we got the US, we have Europe, we have the UK, and we have Australia as well. So pop this out. And there it is, the Nuada panel. So as you can see, this is a big round LED panel. Has a mounting bracket, mount to any light stand. Standard with this, it will take a Sony compatible V-Lock battery. We also have a adapter. So this converts the V-Lock to the Sony NP-F style batteries. So very simple, we've put two Sony batteries into the adapter, which will slide onto the V-Lock mount. Bada bing, we have power. See, up here in the corner we have an LCD display that displays the power level, the color temperature, as well as the battery power remaining. So we have complete color adjustability from 3200K up to 5600, power from 0 to 100. The great thing about the Nuada R3s is anybody can use them. They're simple and easy to use. I think we all know how intimidating lighting can be for new photographers. And LEDs offer a great way for photographers to start using artificial light and not be intimidated. And now we are in the dark. Let's take a look at what this actually will do. So this is a great light, this is soft light, this is great for portraits, for newborns, for product photography, for new photographers looking to get into artificial light. Nuada R3, available this week.